Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure it's unlocked and on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now open Settings and go to General Management. On some builds, it's labeled System. You do this because voice typing links to the keyboard and language input engines. Once in General Management, tap Keyboard List and default to see available keyboards. Make sure Samsung Keyboard or Gboard is enabled so you can assign or activate the voice typing feature next. Once done, select the active keyboard, tap Samsung Keyboard or Gboard from the list. Then open Voice Input or Dictation Settings, enable the toggle for voice typing. You do this because the switch activates the microphone integration and online speech models. Make sure you grant microphone permission if the system asks. Without it, dictation won't work. Also check language settings so the recognition matches your spoken language. When toggled on, the microphone icon appears on the keyboard. Now test it. Open Messages or Notes and tap a text field to bring up the keyboard. Tap the microphone icon to begin speaking. Speak clearly and watch live transcription. If you need punctuation, say the symbol out loud or use voice commands supported by the keyboard. If dictation fails, make sure microphone permission is enabled, toggle voice typing off and on, or restart the keyboard app from settings. If problems persist, reboot the phone and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.